I'm Daniel and this is Zach. And Zach, why did you want to build this?
To prove that it could fly, I guess.
Well, wasn't the concept that we were supposed to lift a watermelon?
That's true, yeah.
A foam airplane?
So the idea was a bunch of motors for the extra lifting power, and the Maiden, we're not going to have a watermelon, but eventually there'll be a
watermelon.
Full-on watermelon in there.
This is kind of a sequel to 2 years ago when we filmed another big foam pink plane.
It's not going to fly. Crack. Yes!
And for some reason, you guys put Putin stickers all over it.
All thanks to my guy right here.
So
just keep the tradition.
We're keeping the Vladimir Putin theme alive. It's running on a 6-cell, 16 amp hour battery, and these are 4 FreeFly Alta motors with 18-inch props and like, I don't know, maybe 2.5 sheets of 4x8 insulation foam.
We got a crowd out here. Our dear glorious leader. Strong as a bear.
Wait, what?
There were dollar bills.
It's bets on if it'll fly. We are in no way affiliated with the USSR.
360.
Oh yeah.
And troubleshooting. Misha, what do you think?
Путин, дай мне деньги, и я сниму стикер от самолета. Сейчас.
Alright, ready when you are.
That's so loud.
It's a lot of prop noise.
Sounds like a drone, man.
It weighs nothing. That wing area is incredible. Like, look at that angle of attack, and it's like not even biting.
I was gonna say, I was gonna
It doesn't stall, huh? It just drops.
Yeah. On the backside of the power curve right now. It's full up elevator.
Look at that, it's like
Full
a
up.
parachute.
Big success.
Flies great.
Give us the rundown.
The wing area is massive, the wing loading is low, therefore
The money stayed on.
it flies great.
Wow.
It even carries money properly.
Yeah.
And I mean, you saw with the stall or the mush, it just sits there. It doesn't even break.
Doesn't stall. How does it feel just generally? Does it feel like a janky piece of crap or does it feel like an airplane?
It just feels like a big light thing.
Like a big chunk of foam.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Well, that's a success.
Tune in next time.
Where we throw a shoe at that drone. I never even got a close-up
And
of
we
this.
flew for 6 minutes of motor time, so we'll see what it's showing.
I bet it'll have a lot more flight time than that.
I think so too.
It's got a big old battery. A big old, very, very used, very, very puffy
It's not even warm.
drone testing pack. These are FreeFly Alta motors with some janky props on them.
Here's the battery.
That's a whale.
Literally a brick.
Got a whole lot of room for plenty of watermelons. And the battery goes right up there. And that's basically all there is to it. Sick. Everyone's gonna ask what kind of airfoil we use. Zach, what kind of airfoil did we use?
Just whatever.
Just whatever.
Yeah, I mean, that's the best description.
You don't need an airfoil for a plane to fly. The
Yeah.
last one had literally a square wing.
All you need is an angle of attack, kids.
Oh my god.
So basically, this is just a thick sheet of this foam bent to a point with some tape over the leading edge so that this covering film doesn't snap. And the spar is just 3 pieces of the foam stacked up. And then there's a little bit of wood in there, but not much.
So, like,
Runway incursion!
Actually, the only proper airfoil on this plane is the landing skid off my other large foam cargo plane. CNC cut. Another day at the field. Differential thrust.
Right up. That's stole for you.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
Will it go forward?
Kidding me? That's impossible.
This is amazing, man. It is definitely an aft CG though.
It's not even that windy.
No, it's not. It's just light as hell.
Stop and follow you around right above you.
Oh my God. That is crazy. It's a fantastic flying airplane.
It really
It
is.
isn't just a novelty item, it's actually a fantastic flying plane.
It's basically a drone. It's got 4 props.
All 4 blades pushing a ton of air over the top of the wing.
Oh yeah.
And it's keeping the flow over the top of the wing no matter what your angle of
Once you land that
attack.
thing, it'll...
All right, dude, it's all you.
Whew. Okay.
We got the boy Daniel at the helm.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. That was pretty. Okay. Oh! 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 Terrible. Some casualties. Oh, there's the tape coming to fix it.
Sorry guys, I didn't play sports.
Woo! So this thing flew great. Here's some video of other planes from the day. What do we got here?
Got a 737-400.
737-400.
Alaska Airlines.
Hot diggity damn. Did you build this?
Yes, sir. Scratch build.
Scratch built? Airliner? What size ducted fans?
These are 50 millimeter, 8 blades. Make a racket.
Wow.
RC airliners on Instagram.
Wow, they're metal.
Yeah, man.
Well, I think it's a gimmick. They're like electroplated, whatever that means.
Oh, so they're
So
plastic.
they're just spray painted probably.
Okay.
But here's a nice decal right here.
How much does it weigh?
It only weighs about 2 pounds.
2 pounds.
No landing gear, lands right on these nacelles.
That's a big bird.
She's all right.
Okay. She's all right. Wow, if only that's how they took off in real life.
The ailerons are so tiny. I need full aileron deflection and turn.
Are they scale sized?
Yeah, no spoiler either. So no roll spoiler.
Damn.
Doesn't really work.
Oh yeah, that was a pretty pass.
Try from the right a little faster. Did I touch?
There you go. Woo!
Whoa, whoa.
Damn!
Goddamn.
What is this? A freaking ICBM?
Basically, man. See, it's a starfighter. However, it doesn't have the ability to put its X-foils in an attack position.
Shut up. This is too noisy.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for that guy.
Yeah. It gets up and goes.
Put the speed flaps on. right now.
That is fast.
I believe a 1600 millimeter. Yep. And
Okay, I'll
Very nice. And boy, you almost need a parachute.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Adios.
Bye.